Command 2.
23 at 5 and 22, just observing.
Copy, 1146. And the male's going to be a white male, 40s, with a bruise on his left eye, possibly wearing a green shirt or dark green shirt and flip-flops.
Okay.
Southie Command 2, he's walking westbound now from the bank. Yes, should be talking. 6 Texas. Southie Command 0, Command 2, I'm behind you. Stuck in a little bit of traffic here, I can't get on the 22nd yet.
Hi, Daddy.
22nd in Arizona, still walking west.
One Adam 22 to South 2 Command 2. I'm coming up on 22nd and 4th. Is he on the north or south side of the road?
He's on the north side in the dirt lot just north of O'Reilly Auto Parts. White male, looks like a mohawk, green shirt, blue jeans. Looks like he's going to try and jump on the bus. We're going to make contact.
10-4, moving in.
1148. Negative. He was on the last unit.
Southie Command 2. It looks like he has a knife on his right hip. We're making contact now. Your units are 23.
1148.
Southie Command 2. They're code 4. One in custody. Right here. Or one detained, rather. We're at 22 and 6 northeast squad.
I copy. And 21 copy air clear at
21 copy.